Hello! Today I'm going to introduce a software that helps you generate AI images quickly and in bulk. This tool is quite suitable for those doing affiliate marketing or anyone who wants to save time creating videos. This is the interface of the software. It's very simple to use. You just need to log in with your Grok or Sora accounts here first. The more accounts you add, the more videos it can generate simultaneously. There are several features available, such as creating videos by description, videos from Shopee, and videos from images. Shopee is widely used in the Southeast Asian market, so you can easily turn product listings into AI-generated videos. Next is the AI image generation section. You just upload an image here, then enter a prompt. You can also use other AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Grok to help generate better prompts that match your needs. Here, I'll use ChatGPT to create motion for this image. The prompt is actually quite short, just to specify the video duration, aspect ratio, and choose where to save the video. After setting everything up, simply click Add to Queue to start the process.